What are we making?
Chocolate chip banana bread.
Who is most excited?
Me!
Can you tell me what ingredients we've got?
Me.
What is over here that you're not allowed to touch yet?
Chocolate chip sunflower.
Yeah, and what's in here?
Sugar. Bananas. Baking powder. Vanilla. Eggs. Sunflower oil. Milk. Salt.
Well done. So,
And look at this.
you can look at the salt, that's fine. I'll put the whole recipe down below for you guys, but I will try and remember to put things on the screen. I do everything in ounces, which I know no one else in the world does, so I'm trying to convert everything to grams for you. The oven is hot. The oven is on 160 degrees. And then that is, I don't know what in Fahrenheit, but I'll put it on there.
Sugar.
You want to eat the sugar?
Don't eat all of it.
I see. We've got a tin. Again, I'll put the measurements of the tin on the screen because I don't know, it's just a tin. And it's lined with greaseproof paper and then a little bit of oil.
We can stop eating the sugar.
Stop eating the sugar, Mummy's boiling. Right, what do you think we need to do first?
Now crack the egg.
Nope.
No.
Right now, I'm going to move all the stuff out of the way while we do this first job. Because this first job needs a noisy tool.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do we have to blend the bananas?
We have to blend the bananas, Ari. So can you peel the bananas and put them in here for me?
Wait.
Oh, that's fine. We've got 5 bananas.
Right.
They're very, very ripe. Well, then you do one.
Can't peel it.
Well, you don't eat bananas, so you don't know how to peel them, do you? Because you're a little weirdo. Ben and Aria don't eat bananas, but they love banana bread, which is why we have to blend the bananas. If you don't mind the texture of bananas, you can just mash them. But Aria will not eat banana bread if it's got chunks of banana in it, so we blend it. Chuck it all in.
And take the skin.
Give Mummy the skins. Oh, good job. The slowest banana peeler in the world.
Aria.
And what did we do before we started cooking?
Water.
Washed our hands. And we did put Mika's hair up, but
Bang.
we don't like touching it, Ari.
No, slimy.
It's slimy. You don't like it?
Look what I can do.
Right, okay. So this next tool is noisy, and it is a stick blender.
Stick blender.
So we just go like this. We push it on and then we go. You want to have a go? You press this button. Mika?
Let's see. I go another game.
Come on, keep holding it. I do sometimes make this in the food processor, but we're doing a big one today, so we're doing it in the mixer. Little part Right, now we need to add the vanilla. Right, you've got to do a tablespoon of vanilla each.
Okay.
Leave that. Hold it over here, please. Over here. One for you. Tip it in. Ari. Hold it over. Put it in.
Now can we
Yep.
get it? Come on, little man. Come on.
Aria, he's making a mess.
Can we do it?
See what Stop it?
Yeah.
Nope. Who wants to taste the yummy vanilla banana? It's so good. Yummy?
I get it.
You like it? Because it still tastes like banana.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I do.
we've got the big boy mixer out today. What goes in first?
This.
Yeah.
I got it.
Not eggs. The banana goes in first. Do you want to tip it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you tip it? Get a spatula and just blonk it all in.
Yeah.
Blonk, blonk, blonk.
All of it.
Who's going to eat the most banana bread, do you think?
Yay! Of course, I will.
You might be daddy. Right, next. Should we put some sugar in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sugar. I'm not cracking the egg again.
So we've got 10 ounces of caster sugar. You can use brown sugar if you want, that's nice. But I just had caster sugar, so that's what we're using.
Alright, stop eating.
Stop just eating sugar. Aria. Right, you do a spoon.
Without eating it.
Without eating it. No. A big spoon, go on, do it in. Mickey, you do a big spoon.
Okay. Sugar. Like this?
Yeah.
I will eat it.
Put it in. And then Mummy's going to tip the rest in.
I will
Blomp.
Blomp.
Does that look good?
Yummy. Yummy.
Looks yummy, does it? And then we're going to tip the oil in.
Yeah.
Mummy will tip this in. That is 9 fluid ounces of vegetable or sunflower oil. Ours is sunflower.
Yeah, because we planted sunflowers.
We have planted some sunflowers, haven't we?
Yeah.
So now we're going to give this a bit of a mix. What? We're not putting on top speed.
No.
Put it on low speed to start with because it's very liquidy and you don't want it to fling out the top. And then we'll slowly turn it up. Does it all look mixed? So mix this for like a minute. I'm going to get quicker just to sort of dissolve the sugar a bit. Now what do you think goes in? Eggs!
We're going to crack them.
You are going to crack them. We do eggs one at a time. Ari's going first.
Because I don't want to do crack.
Crack it into here.
Some eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to learn.
I know.
Look, it's going to work. You're okay. Look, let me make a little hole. There you go. And then you pull it apart. Pull it apart. No. There you go. It's okay. You've only got a teeny tiny bit of shell. Literally a tiny bit. That's all she got in. Now wait. So now we're going to mix the eggs in one at a time. So one egg goes in.
Oh, that's mine.
Right, Mimika gets to do an egg. What must you not do when you cracked an egg? What must you not do?
Eat it.
Eat it. We use free range eggs. Good job. Yeah, you doing it? Well done. Mika cut her finger the other day while she was doing an egg, so she's a little bit nervous. But that was really good, babe. Now we've got to do another one. Right, we'll put this one in. Ari, crack another one. Go sit at the back again. Right. What goes in now? Flour. So we're going to add the flour a spoonful at a time whilst the mix is going.
I want to have turns.
Yeah, you can both have turns. Put it in. In the bowl, thank you.
That's nice. Are we going to put all the flour?
Yeah, we've got 12 ounces of flour here, so more flour than everything else. Big spoon, but get it all in, good job. I'm going to tip in, it's a tablespoon of baking powder.
My turn.
Aria! What happened, Ari?
It
And it went on the table. We need all this flour, don't we? It's good job Mummy cleaned the table.
For you.
For you.
Because it might get mixed up.
Yeah.
For you.
Right. Mummy's going to tip the rest in.
So,
Look at that. Ari, what's your hair? Well done. Right. And a pinch of salt.
Yeah.
You can do one each because your pinches are tiny.
Okay.
I've just got rock salt, but that's all I've got, but you can use any salt.
See, is this
Give it another mix.
like banana mix?
Milk. I haven't measured this. But I
In
will
my
measure it
little jar.
in your little jar. I don't really know how much milk I put in. I just kind of wing it every time, but it's
Is that
kind of like
up and left?
that. So I'll measure that and see. Right, we're going to scrape the bowl down. Scrape the bowl down, make sure everything, there's no flour left at the bottom. And then I feel like there's one more thing that needs to go in.
Chocolate chip! Definitely have a bit of milk.
You don't need any more milk. You can drink that milk if you want to.
Yes, I want to drink some milk too. They drink all of it. Ari,
Ari, don't drink all of it. Ari! You little bugger. You drink that bit, make it quick before she gets it. You wallies. Right. Now, this is 100 grams of dark chocolate chunks because we like dark chocolate. But you can use milk if you want. I'll judge you, but you can use milk. Ready? Blonk. And then mix them in quick so nobody else can see them. And that is it. So just take this off. You can try some if you want. Ari, your hair is just everywhere. Try not to get children's hair in it. Luckily, it's just us eating it, so it doesn't matter if it's got Ari's hair in it. Is it good, Mika?
Yeah.
Right. And then pour it in. I need to get my spatula. Spatula.
Spatula. Spatula. Spatula. What's a spatula?
I think Ari's just made it up.
Spatula. I'll lick the spoon, please. You. Please.
Oh, we missed a bit.
Oh no, don't. There's one on the nose, so we have to eat it.
And we've got chocolate chips spread throughout.
So
Lovely.
No one can see them in case they said Daddy don't see any.
And then this is going to go in the oven. I'm going to check it after about 20 minutes.
Aria.
But it might take longer. I'll put it on screen how long it actually takes. See you, Aria. You licking it? Obviously, our eggs are line stamped, so they're safe. You can eat them raw. Just don't eat loads of it. You're funny. Do you want to try some? You want to try some? I'll hold it. I'll hold it. I'll hold it. I'll hold it when you don't get it. I'll hold it when you don't get it.
What does it taste like?
Is that good? Right. We'll see you when it's...
We got to bread.
What?
From
Trumps. We forgot to put trumps in the banana bread apparently. You're gross. We'll see you when it's baked. It's done. my oven hates me and it always cooks more at the back. So it's slightly overdone at the back, but it's still good. So I'm gonna get the girls to come in and we'll show you the next step. Okay, so the banana bread is out. What is the last thing that we have to do to banana bread?
Put golden syrup.
So,
I love golden syrup.
you do love golden syrup. So, we get a fork, and this is while it's still hot. Just go along and just poke some holes.
Right.
If you don't want to do chocolate chips, you can do it completely plain, and then halfway through cooking, chuck on a load of walnuts. And then you get walnut, and it's just so good. But they don't like walnuts, so I'm not allowed to make it like that anymore. But you get golden syrup.
Yeah, to make it yummy. Don't eat it.
Oh yeah. The girls love golden syrup, if you couldn't tell. So, golden syrup all over it. That's enough. Get your fingers out. My golden syrup is really cold and thick, so it does not want to come out of this tub. Again, I know it's gross them licking it like that, but it is just us eating it. So like that.
I don't know it.
And then cut it.
Anyway.
You need a plastic knife because it doesn't rip the cake. And then just cut it while it's hot. Here comes Foxy Man and Daddy.
It's only a girl cake.
It's only a girl cake, is it? What, is Daddy and Foxy not allowed any?
Dun,
Here goes Foxy Man. Don't let him touch the golden syrup.
Sorry.
So which bit's mine?
That
The big fat bit in the middle? Right, it's the yummiest bit.
I'm gonna get that bit.
Yeah?
Crunchy bit.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to let it go cold a little
Daddy,
bit.
look, he's behind it.
And then we're going to have it with our after lunchy, okay?
Oh.
Get out of the camera, you creepy creeperson. Daddy creepy? Creepy, creepy. Are you just eating golden syrup? I see. Well, yeah, that is banana bread with chocolate chips and golden syrup. And it is delicious. This will last for like 4 days. Get your face out of it. What do you want to do to it, Ari? Just smash your face in it? Don't lick it. Right, I'm taking this away. So yeah, that is our banana bread. The recipe is down below. Let us know what else you want to make. What do you guys want to make next? Should we make donuts?
Chocolate cake.
Donuts?
Yeah, donuts. I got and chocolate cake.
And chocolate cake. Anything else?
And ginormous one, big as a house.
Yeah.
And a gingerbread house, big as the whole plant.
No.
Mummy, what if we make chocolate and...
I think your top's on backwards. Yep.
Chocolate on donuts and peanut donuts.
Chocolate donuts and strawberry donuts.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do next. Let us know anything else that you want us to make in the meantime. Do a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel.
Stick thumbs up.
Thanks for watching.
I have stick thumbs up.
Bye.